if you're struggling in your real estate business, you're frustrated with the amount of volume you're selling, you've got to invest in yourself. Get a coach, have them help you, hold you accountable, bring the fun back into it. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Real D2D Show. Tons of people are feeling stuck in their real estate market. I had a mastermind that we just did down in St. George, Utah over the past weekend. A lot of agents flew in from all over the United States, and we dove deep into the real estate business. A lot of them are struggling. A lot of them are like, man, we're just not getting the results that we want. And so we dissected it. And the biggest thing that we could see was the amount of drive that most real estate agents are having right now. They're very comfortable. The amount of effort that's being put in, and also the emotion that's behind it. So as we did a bunch of training on how to capture emotion with your clients, we found that a lot of these agents didn't have a lot of that in the pitch, in their passion for what they're doing. And so we had to fix it. How did we fix it? We had to teach them to sell something that they normally wouldn't be able to sell. And so we did a competition. We drove out those competitive juices, and I'm challenging you to do that right now. But what we did is we had them go out and sell little stickers that were 1 square inch by 1 square inch, and they went on a doorbell. And guess what they said? Of course you got it right. No soliciting. We had them go sell no soliciting stickers. And a lot of them weren't even from Utah where we were doing this, and it was awesome. We started at $20 a sticker, and we said that is the price you should sell this for. And this was an emotional sale because there's no one in their right mind that's gonna pay $20 for a sticker that cost us about 10 cents. So we dove in and we started to give the pitch. And a lot of our agents were not having it. So we stopped, we regrouped, we said, hey guys, this is an emotional sale. You gotta get there. You gotta show them that you're having a lot of fun. You gotta engage them in your cause. If this was a competition, you had to beat the other team. You had to sell these stickers. And one of our agents knocked on a door, sold 3 stickers to one person. And I went back and was able to pitch them on buying an investment property. And it was fabulous. But the first part was we got their guard to come down by emotionally connecting with them. At the end of the day, of course, my team won. But what the important part of this was, is we stopped after and we said, okay, tell us why you're struggling. Tell us what was the thing that changed this evening for you guys from a pitch standpoint. And they said the minute that they turned over to just having fun, running in between doors and enjoying the experience and trying to connect with the experience, they saw a massive increase in their sales. And they did not want to lose. So then we challenged them to take this to their real estate career. Could they go out and have a massive experience, connect well, bring that passion into real estate, and still compete? Now, those that were at the mastermind, we spent a lot of time together boating, wake surfing, we went hiking up in the Red Rocks. We did some really, really cool things. But at the end of it, we broke up into 2 teams again. Now granted, we played some top golf as well and drove those competitive juices. And of course, my team took home the W, baby. Now, at the end of the mastermind, we're like, okay, what are we gonna do? We're gonna get out there and we're gonna compete again. So we set up a 1-month competition. And we had each break off into teams again. I'm the team captain of one, and Jeremy Davis is captain of the other one. And we are gonna go see who can put up the most listings in the month of July. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're struggling in your real estate business, you're frustrated with the amount of volume you're selling, you've got to invest in yourself. Get a coach, have them help you, hold you accountable, bring the fun back into it. Set some long-term goals that's gonna help you align with your real estate business. And then get on a team, find a group of agents you can collaborate with, but get with people that are gonna push you. I think one of the cool things about this is one of the guys, Austin, when he knocked on his first door, he pulled down a $20 sale. And all the guys that were back behind him were just blown away that he just sold the sticker that they thought wasn't possible for 20 bones. And it set the pace. They're like, well, if he can do it, I can do it. Now, if you've got agents that are constantly putting up deals around you, if they're putting up 1 to 2 a week, what it tells you is you can do it too. But you've got to get around productive agents. You've got to get around productive people that is helping you realize that this can be done and should be done, and that are having fun in life, that are positive. We just read the book called Happiness Advantage. And when you are happy, you produce at a way higher level than when you're unhappy. So if you're feeling stuck in your career, I want you to tweak these habits. I want you to get around positive people. I want you to invest in yourself. Get to a mastermind. Go to some training. We're holding an event in New Jersey, July 12th. Come. The event's free. It holds 250 people. Make sure you connect with us if you want to see that. So we're going to be going all over and doing free seminars to help you guys understand how important it is to get yourselves to that next level as the real estate market tightens up and as people feel more stuck and sell less business and less business. What's going to happen is those that are prepared will succeed and blow past all of those that aren't. So make sure to race, elevate, and get out there and crush it. Let me know how you guys are doing, what you're struggling with, what you're succeeding with, but bring that passion into your real estate business and you will find success. Thanks for watching today, you guys.